Have you ever wanted to speak English, but you stayed silent, not because you do not know words, but because you are afraid to make a mistake? That fear is not protecting you. It is slowly destroying your progress. Right now, you are waiting to be perfect, but even native speakers are not perfect. So what if I tell you this? Fluency is not about studying more. It is about being brave enough to speak, even when it is messy. Today, I will show you why perfection is your biggest enemy, and how you can finally speak English with confidence. In 2026, we have AI tools, we have translation apps, we can translate anything in seconds, but still, many learners cannot speak. Why? Because when it is time to speak, their brain freezes. It is like buffering, like a slow internet connection. You are not thinking about ideas. You are thinking, is this grammar correct? Is this the right tense? Will people laugh at me? This is perfectionism. And let me tell you something important. Perfectionism is not a high standard. It is a mental block. Because while you are trying to build the perfect sentence, the conversation is already gone. The moment is gone, and slowly, you stop speaking. You avoid conversations. You feel more and more alone. But do not worry. In the next part, I will show you something surprising. Why trying to speak perfect English is actually making you worse. And how changing one small habit can improve your fluency very fast. So keep watching. Let us be honest. Grammar is important, but when you focus too much on grammar, you stop focusing on communication. Your brain becomes slow. It checks every word. It edits every sentence. This is called overthinking. And overthinking kills fluency. There is also something called correction fatigue. You correct yourself again, and again, and again, and finally, you get tired. You stop trying. But here is the biggest problem. When you do not speak, you do not practice. And speaking is not just thinking. Speaking is a physical skill. Your mouth needs practice. Your tongue needs practice. Your voice needs practice. If you stay silent, your speaking muscles never grow. And now let us change everything. Instead of perfect English, try this. Efficient communication. This means your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to be understood. Let me ask you, when you talk to someone, do you care about perfect grammar, or do you care about connection? The truth is, people care about your message, your feeling, your story, not your grammar mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes every day, but they still speak. Why? Because they are not afraid. And this is your new rule. Speak first, improve later. When you speak messy sentences, you practice more. When you practice more, you improve faster. This is the real secret of fluency. Now let me give you one simple thing you can start today. Speak for 1 minute every day. Use your phone. Record your voice. Talk about your day. Today I wake up at 7. I eat rice. I feel tired. Simple English. Not perfect. Do not stop. Do not correct. Just speak. Because small daily action creates big change. And now try this. Make 10 mistakes every day. Yes, you heard that right. Your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to make mistakes. Because if you make mistakes, that means you are speaking. And if you are speaking, you are improving. After 30 days, you will not be the same person. You will speak faster. You will feel more confident. You will stop being afraid. If this video helped you, type this in the comments. I will speak, even if it is not perfect. And start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because fluency is not built by waiting. It is built by speaking.